If you're looking for the best portable camping chair, you're in the right place. Whether you're planning a camping trip, a beach day, or even a backyard picnic, having the perfect portable chair can make all the difference in comfort and convenience. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know, from the features and benefits of top-rated camping chairs to why they stand out in the market. No more guessing or sifting through countless products. We've done all the research for you. We've spent hours analyzing hundreds of options to narrow it down to the top 5 portable camping chairs you can buy today. From durability to portability, we've considered it all. Stick around to discover the perfect chair for your outdoor adventures. And don't forget to check the links in the description below for more details and to grab one for yourself. Number 5. TARKA Foldable Camping Chair Set. The TARKA Foldable Camping Chair is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a lightweight yet durable seating solution. Made from high-quality Oxford cloth and aluminum pipe, this chair is not only strong, but also incredibly portable. It's perfect for backpackers, picnic enthusiasts, or even fishing trips. Its ultralight design ensures you can carry it effortlessly, and its foldable nature makes it easy to store and set up. One downside is that the chair may feel a bit compact for taller users, and it doesn't have extra padding for extended sitting. However, its minimalist design, lightweight structure, and affordability make it a fantastic choice for those who prioritize portability. Number 4. PACOONE Outdoor Portable Camping Chair. The PACOONE Portable Camping Chair stands out with its sturdy build and versatile use. Crafted with 600D Oxford cloth and boasting a load-bearing capacity of up to 200 kilograms, this chair offers exceptional strength and comfort. It's designed for multiple activities, from camping to beach outings and BBQs, making it a versatile option for outdoor lovers. However, at 1-1.3 kilogram, it's slightly heavier than other models in this list, which might be a concern for ultralight backpackers. On the bright side, the extended seat design provides more space and comfort, ensuring it's perfect for long hours of relaxation. Number 3. WESTTUNE Portable Folding Camping Chair. The WESTTUNE Portable Camping Chair is a fantastic choice for those seeking lightweight and durable seating with a headrest. Built with aluminum alloy, it combines stability and portability, making it a reliable companion for outdoor adventures. The addition of a headrest ensures extra comfort, especially during extended use. While it excels in portability, the chair's minimalist padding may not suit users who need extra cushioning for long-term sitting. Nevertheless, its sleek design, strong frame, and added headrest make it a practical choice for camping and outdoor activities. Number 2. Naturehike Portable Camping Chair. The Naturehike Portable Camping Chair is ideal for outdoor enthusiasts who value ultralight gear. Its collapsible design and durable construction make it a breeze to transport and set up. Whether you're hiking, camping, or picnicking, this chair ensures you stay comfortable without adding unnecessary weight to your gear. The chair's compact design may not suit taller individuals or those looking for extra lumbar support. However, its premium materials and trusted Naturehike brand make it a reliable choice for those who prioritize portability and quality. Number 1. OneTigris Portable Camping Chair. The OneTigris Portable Camping Chair takes the top spot for its outstanding comfort and durability. Designed with a high backrest and made from 7075 aluminum alloy, this chair offers unparalleled support and stability. With a weight capacity of up to 150 kilograms and weighing only 2.4 kilograms, it's perfect for heavy-duty use while remaining easy to carry. The only drawback is its slightly higher price point compared to other options. However, the superior comfort, high-quality materials, and multi-use versatility make it well worth the investment for avid campers and outdoor enthusiasts alike.